In this video, you will learn how to use the geometric pattern command in the Fusion 360 product design extension to create a pattern with size and distribution gradients across a face on a solid body. The geometric pattern is a feature used during the plastic design process to add textured and patterned features to respective faces. With this tool, you can create a set of predefined or custom shapes that are distributed in a specified pattern across a selected face. You can parametrically adjust the size, spread, and orientation of the shapes to deliver your most preferred outcome, all in one feature, thereby saving you time and effort. To access the command in the design workspace, switch to the Plastic tab and locate it on the toolbar. In the dialog, you are first being asked to select a face to place a pattern, as well as the object type, which are either primitives or a custom object. If a custom object, then you can select this from a predefined body in your assembly. Then, you must define the size limits which specify the minimum and maximum size of the objects in the pattern, as well as a spread which controls the rate of transition from one size limit to the other. A spread value of -1 will give you objects that are all equal to the size limit 1, and a value of +1 will give you objects that are all equal to the size limit 2. It's worth noting that depending on how you want to spread the objects, size limit 1 does not necessarily need to be lower than size limit 2. Following this, you must then define the object distribution, which is the positioning of the object on the selected face, and can either be rectangular, triangular, hexagonal, circular, or radial. You can also adjust the distances or spacing types depending on which pattern you select, as well as the U and V alignment. You can also check Clean Perimeter to ensure no objects overlap with the edges, along with a perimeter offset if preferred. Then finally, you can state which Boolean operation you want to perform, whether it's a join, cut, intersection, or new body. After you press OK, you will see the geometric pattern applied to the selected face, with a feature added to the timeline. With this feature added to the timeline, you can right-click and select Edit to amend the values as necessary. For instance, you might want a smaller spread, larger perimeter offset, or different Boolean type. You will see a preview of the changes in the canvas. Then once you press OK, your design will be updated accordingly. Now you know how to apply and edit a geometric pattern to selected faces in your design using the Fusion 360 product design extension. Thanks for watching.